podcast. I'm Mr. Clean, and this is.
And I'm Mr. Mean.
Oh, and this is your Sunday
You like that
edition.
improv?
What's that?
You like that improv?
Oh yeah. I'll be Mr. Clean. He can be Mr. Mean. He can bring us the hard-hitting reality of the markets today. Because obviously for me, it's all sunny. It's sunny skies, even though it's overcast here. Because Bitcoin is up.
It's up, my guy.
Yep.
You called that pretty good, you know?
Well, I mean,
spot on.
if I call a reversal the last 4 weekends, eventually I'm gonna be right.
Yeah, you know what they say, broken clock. Right. I don't. You know what? I would actually argue that a broken clock is not right twice a day.
No?
Nope. No, sir. Because we have a clock that's broken at work, and it's never right. I watch it.
It's still
It's
moving?
never right. Yeah, it's still moving. It's never on time. Never.
Well,
Ever.
Yeah.
Like,
That makes sense. If it's still moving, it's like that slow friend you have that just can't seem to get their life together. Oh, right to the Bitcoin chart. Nice. Yeah, so if you remember from the last stream, I called an inverted head and shoulders. So we still have some price action to get through till I can actually be right. Oh, no. It was a wider time frame. Really? Was it just that?
yeah, it's kind of a sloppy one though. This head's not really above the shoulders.
Oh, see, I thought I called a 1 month or a 2 month head and shoulders. That's funny. You know, I think you're right. I think if you went to a different chart, it would have it on there.
This is strange to me. This is looks like a liquidity hunt, and this is also why I tell you guys trading on holidays is a no-no. Oh, look how, in my opinion, I would never trade this. This is not even a head and shoulder. It kind of looks like a head and shoulders, but really a head and shoulders. The head should be above the shoulders. If you saw some weird dude like with his shoulders like, it's not, that's not head and shoulders, dude. But
See, I would argue that in order to have like an effective head and shoulders, we're going to be talking like a 2 month chart head and shoulders. So basically, if you backed out here, ooh, no, okay, yeah, that's not gonna, yeah, basically, yep. So like we would need a run up to basically 67, 70K, between 67 and 70K in the next week, and then another drop down to 61K within the next month, and then the run up to 80,000.
yeah, this is the beginning of the month, right? First week of the month. We don't want to see it trade up because that means more than likely we get the monthly expansion to the downside. So it's only the 5th, and it's a holiday weekend. So you got to pay attention to these things, guys, because if you don't, you're going to get walked on left and right. I mean, it's like it's enticing, right?
Oh yeah.
Like, oh, this looks like I want to trade it. And you start chasing.
I mean, I'm not going to lie. I did not trade any cryptocurrency this weekend. I'm crypto adjacent. I am crypto.
It looks like it might turn around right here.
Crypto stock. Oh yeah, like it does.
Let's try it.
I don't like the look of it. I would not go short right now.
Mike would not go short
No.
right now, but we're gonna give it a try.
No, I would definitely not go short. just because it broke out above the the last pattern from a few
And
hours
this is
ago.
why people might look at this model and they're like, "This is pure lunacy, Corey. What are you talking about? Why would you go short? That's insane."
I'm just saying, like
Let's see what happens.
it's a Sunday evening. You're normally not gonna trade right now. It's gonna,
Exactly. So it's just like, yeah, might as well give it a try.
yeah, yeah,
Should have looked at the 1 minute, but here, let's give it a try. We're already in the short, guys. We lost at 21, so
yeah. That's a good sign
we're
for a short.
gonna keep a tight stop loss on this, my guys. But I'm trading off my intuition here because let's face it, I've been screwed over by these markets a lot. So
He's
I know
running.
what I see when I see it.
He's running the inverse money Mike.
Yep, that's another one. Anything Mike says, we're just gonna do the opposite. I'm sorry. That's not the case, Mike.
Oh, I don't take it personally.
uh,
Don't get me wrong. This has been a so like my day trades have been on fire, dude. My swing trades have been garbage. So like I just need to obviously I need to start just doing my day trades.
let's chill out, dude. Just chill out.
Oh.
Don't put too much pressure on yourself.
Oh no. I have no pressure, bro.
Well, you'd be
I no
surprised.
pressure. No pressure. I could care less. It's just money, bro. Easy come, easy go.
Well, don't get into the mindset. And I'm not even just talking to you. I'm talking to the audience. Don't get in the mindset of like I have to win this trade because as soon as you start thinking like that, it's you're kind of like putting too much pressure on yourself, in my opinion.
Oh, I agree. You
So
should
this game is all about not caring. The less you care about it, the better you do.
you should treat it like a video game, basically. Like
And
it's
if
just
you start getting into a trade and then as soon as it starts going against you, your first thought's like, this happens every time I trade. Why does it happen every single time I trade? I suck at trading. I'm just going to give up. If this hits my stop loss, I'm not trading anymore. Screw this. You start having those kinds of thoughts, it's time to take a long break. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
Take a long break.
or just start going long, dollar cost averaging into something that you think has promise.
Or just, yeah, every time you want to go long, go short. Every time you go short, go long. Just
Inverse
counter trade your
yourself.
emotions. Yeah, counter trade your emotions, guys,
Uh,
and you'll be fine.
yeah, so there was a funny thing that I saw that's always stuck with me is that basically any stock, any equity or asset you find that you want to invest in, instead of buying it right away when you find it, if you were to just analyze the chart and figure out where your stop loss would be if you bought it at that moment and you instead bought it at your stop loss, basically the majority of traders would be profitable.
There it is.
It's
That's another
crazy.
way of putting it.
No, like it's literally been studied. So like they basically went through a bunch of people who were trading and losing money, and they were like, okay, you find a stock, you find an equity that you really like, and you buy it right away because of course you're like, oh, money, money, money. And if you instead bought it at what you would put for your stop loss, you would make money the majority of the time. That's literally all people would need to do to change all of the statistics around trading tomorrow.
Yeah, let's see what happens with this trade here, guys.
Oh, it's playing out in your favor right now. Oh no, it isn't. You're negative. I thought you were positive.
Yeah, it's kind of worked. We kind of entered in a bad time.
Yeah, but yeah, you went pre Asian markets taking hold. So you might get like the boost up to 64, and then it'll drop into the Asian markets with a lower volume.
Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys.
But do you know what I found out today?
What's that?
Since late May, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the futures market, has been trading
Yeah.
24/7 since late May.
Hmm.
So there's no more consolidation where the price of Bitcoin drops to the futures market. Like they trade that thing all weekend, dude. And that makes a lot of sense, right?
Yeah. I mean, they're kind of like making that like a more common thing now.
Yeah. So the futures market on Bitcoin and Ethereum trades all weekend. It has a
Interesting.
minimal window, like on Sunday night, where they have like 2 hours where they don't trade, but that doesn't really affect anything.
Wondering where I should trade some futures, Bitcoin futures here.
I mean,
Open my account here.
you might want to start that as soon as possible, because I'm in the AVOT tomorrow, and I'm at a 10% gain, and like I don't want to have this caveat where I had an unfair advantage. You know what I mean? In the small account challenge.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of like feeling like I'm in a different mental, like a better mental place now.
It definitely seems like it. Yeah, without a doubt. Like you have been walking all over my predictions for the past month, without a doubt.
It's not really trying to walk all over your predictions. It's just the way I see it.
Yeah, no, and that's a good thing because I don't have any skin in the game on Bitcoin. Like I'm trading crypto stocks sometimes, but for the most part, I don't really have any skin in the game. So it's easy for me to be like, "Oh yeah, it's going up." This is the reversal right here during crypto winter, and meanwhile, you're have a more rational approach. Like this is the downtrend. Like this is the price action right now, and
Yeah, just using the skills that I was taught.
you got to keep that same energy in the live account. Like that money doesn't matter. You're putting $500 into a small account. It literally does not matter, dude.
I feel like I have less stress in my life now, so it's like I think I can focus on it better and
There's
just
something to
like
be
chill,
said for that.
right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I feel like I don't want to rush it because I don't want to destroy my mental capital. That's a big thing. A lot of people don't talk about that with trading. So you can have money, but you start taking trades, loss after loss after loss, and then you just get to the point you're so frustrated, like screw it, I don't care, I'm not gonna give up, and you just keep taking losses and losses, and you just really dig yourself into a bad hole. That will destroy your mental capital. And for some people, it will destroy it so much that they completely give up on trading and they'll never come back. And they'll be like, yeah, trading's a scam. I tried it that one time. And they basically just got walked on and they didn't know how to walk away. And
So
trust me, I've
so
done it multiple times. There's probably people in the audience who have done it multiple times, so
so
it's not a new thing to trading.
the funny dude, that's so funny because the people who are closest to me in my life, as far as relatives go, they got destroyed in investing and trading. And meanwhile, there's me, like I'm part of the top 10%, and it's like they're like, "What do you know? You're an idiot." And it's
You
like
can
dude, I just played manipulation. I'm sorry.
you can tell people exactly what to do step by step and when to do it, exactly how to do it. And then they will start making up excuses to you why they can't do it.
Yep.
And for those people, they will never be successful at trading. They'll never be profitable because they have an inherent inability to be honest with themselves. And that right there has nothing to do with trading, everything to do with you. And that's the thing about trading. I'm going to highlight all the bad qualities in you, and it's going to amplify that.
Yeah.
So,
Dude, that is
you
like,
control it, you're screwed.
so as far as Bitcoin goes, like everything you just said literally highlights why Bitcoin is doing what it is doing. So the whales, so like the individual wallets that are purchasing Bitcoin have bought up $16 billion in Bitcoin in early July. And the Bitcoin ETFs lost $4 billion total in June. So to the $4 billion in June outflows, we had $16 billion bought up in the first 5 days in July. And it's like they're also, people are depositing Bitcoin to exchanges. And it's only 49,000 Bitcoin that have been deposited to exchanges within the last week. And meanwhile, the whales are buying up like that. Like the whales bought up all the ETF outflows, and they bought up all of the deposits to exchanges that we've seen. So it's kind of interesting because like there's certain people that are like, oh, I need to get out of Bitcoin now. Now that it's at the bottom, now that it's starting to go up, I need to get the heck out of this thing. Meanwhile, there's people who are operating in the shadows on Bitcoin wallets that you don't know who these people are. You can only see a number, and they are gobbling up not only all of the outflows, but they are also buying up $12 billion more. Because MicroStrategy on Friday said they were going to sell up to $1.2 billion in Bitcoin, which is nothing compared to the whales who have bought up 16 billion in the first week of July.
If you go back into our streams a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, I believe, remember I said it would be the strategy to short MicroStrategy. Well, took that trade, guys. How does the chart look
On
after they
MicroStrategy?
announced that? Yeah.
Oh God, what is the ticker? MS
You know what the ticker is? Let's look it up real quick.
MSTR.
Also, I want to show the audience, look at this weakness right here where this should be a breakout. Look at these candle wicks.
Yeah.
When you see this highlights weakness. I've sat in front of the charts. Now, we could just get a big explosion here. I could be wrong, and then, our stop loss gets hit. But right now, look at how it's struggling to get up. You can see it. If you watch how the candlesticks form, this typically is not how a bull flag breaks out. So
No,
once you spend enough time, you can see it.
This is a 60-year-old rich guy with his 20-year-old girlfriend. He is not getting up. Oh.
And now, if we were sponsored by, like, say, a product, we could have just made a plug right there. But
I know.
unfortunately, no one has reached out to us about sponsorships.
That'll be the first one,
So,
guaranteed.
guys,
Dude, when it comes to charts, dude, it's so easy to work that into it. We could be going into a 5-minute thing about,
bingo, there she is.
Nice.
See, I don't know what it is, Mike. I just I get this feeling. No.
Holy crap. Are you in the 1 minute?
Look at this, yeah.
I am not used to you being in the 1 minute, my guy. I was
It's
just
interesting.
like,
What is going on?
Yeah, I am not used to you being in the 1 minute. Like, I'm used to looking at the 1 minute myself, But when I
Now
saw
it's
that
fine.
the price reversal, that just blew my mind. I was like, "Holy crap!"
I'll just probably eat my words here. Look at this. It looks like it's reversing. But this is why I say do not trade the 1 minute. So if you're hell bent on your strategy, you're gonna wait till this stop loss gets hit.
Especially Sunday evening. Sunday evening is a rough market to trade, dude.
Yeah, especially on a holiday weekend. So I would never be trading
But
live funds with this.
weren't you gonna
So yeah, it
check out
looks like,
MicroStrategy?
huh?
Were you gonna bring up the MicroStrategy
What's,
chart?
what's that?
MSTR.
MSTR.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Strategy Inc. Holy crap, it looks like the Bitcoin chart. So on Friday they announced that they were going to sell like $1.25 billion in Bitcoin to pay dividends, and that's crazy to me. Your
It's
stock
pretty similar.
your stock just hit $100 and you're like, "I need to sell my Bitcoin." And your entire business plan is we own Bitcoin and we don't have to pay any dividends to 2027. We don't have to pay any of our creditors to 2027, but we're going to start selling Bitcoin now. That's crazy to me.
It's strange to me.
Yeah. I mean, granted, this thing has not traded since Thursday because equities do not trade over a holiday weekend. But I feel like if they announced on Friday or on Thursday that they're going to sell over $1 billion in Bitcoin, if Bitcoin opens up on Monday, these guys are going to get hammered.
It's interesting.
Yeah, because it's like yeah, he does too much, dude. Michael Saylor, he does way too much. Like he has to chill a little bit. It's crypto winter, bro. It almost feels like this is his first crypto winter he's been in.
But it really isn't.
It isn't?
No, it was like during the whole last bear market, bull market crap.
But their average buy-in price is 75K.
Yeah, he literally bought at the worst time.
Yeah,
He sells at the worst
MicroStrategy,
time.
their average buy-in price is like 75K. I can tell you right now. I can tell you in like 30 seconds. MicroStrategy average Bitcoin price is 75K. And they put 64 billion into Bitcoin. It's like this is their it literally feels like this is his first actual Bitcoin winter. His first crypto winter that he's been in.
Interesting.
He's acting like a finance bro who finally got into cryptocurrency in 2024. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like he started buying Bitcoin at 100K. That's what it feels like.
Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here, folks.
No way. Did you do a tight stop loss?
Yeah, right above that high.
It might double top, my guy, at 63.9. But I feel like
Do five though.
all the
500
headlines
over.
right now. So it's like Citibank trimmed their Bitcoin 12-month target to 82,000 from 112,000. There's
Yeah.
like right now all the headlines are Bitcoin is plummeting. Bitcoin is not going to do much this summer. And I feel like it's going to rip in everybody's faces because right now the whole narrative, everything you're seeing is like Bitcoin sucks. Bitcoin's going to zero. Bitcoin is now called Buttcoin.
Yeah, it's pretty definitely all fear right now. So I mean, like I've been saying, this is a great time to be averaging in.
And if you have
So
a bunch of small wallets or a bunch of Bitcoin whale wallets that are buying it up, like to the tune of billions of dollars, and outpacing ETF outflows, and also outpacing the, you know, exchange deposits, it kind of tells you that the people with real money who are in the shadows are buying it up at a higher rate. And not only that, but most of this downturn has been driven by leveraged short trades. So like more money is flowing into Bitcoin than is flowing out, but leveraged short trades are what is driving price action. When those leveraged trades lift and they have to buy back in the shorts, it's just going to drive the price up.
yeah, that's what's gonna create the big breakout.
No, don't get me wrong. I'm not calling a big breakout. I'm calling like a slow burn up to 80K this summer, and then a crash in September.
80K.
Oh yeah, I told you that last live stream. I think we're gonna hit 80K this summer,
Yeah, I remember us. Yeah, we went over that.
and then I think it's gonna plummet again. Cause smart
Dang,
money.
I guess we should have gone long on this bull flag, shouldn't we?
I mean, it's whatever. We literally did so many trades where we made we like out of the last 10 trades, I think 7 of them are green. So like
Yeah, we're generating profit.
to have one red trade on live stream means nothing when it's like $300 loss. $500 maximum. Because right now, basically what's happening is because Bitcoin has been in a downtrend. As it goes up, more people are shorting it. And when the Asian markets take over, dude, the Asian markets are like snipers for liquidity pools. So they're gonna go right for the closest liquidity pool that they can reach. And right now it's people shorting it at 64,000.
64K, huh?
Yeah. 63.9, 64K. Yeah. That is like literally exactly where the shorters have their stop losses right now, is 64K. The short-term leverage traders. So they're going to snipe that liquidity pool, and it might dip overnight tonight. It dipped on Saturday night. It always dips on Saturday night. I've noticed that, dude. Like Saturday into Sunday, it always dips. Like 9 times out of 10. I think there's only been one Saturday in the past 10 weekends that Bitcoin went up on Saturday night. Because they're just targeting the liquidity pool on the Asian markets. They're not stupid. They're going for that low hanging fruit, dude. Are you reversing?
Double down.
Nice, nice. I respect it.
Yep.
I hope it plays out
Going
for you.
all in or nothing, folks.
Yeah, I hope it plays out for you. Do you want to go over a little bit of TradFi? You want to go over the U.S. economic calendar?
By the way, if you guys have anything in the comments section, put it in and we can do a little review there.
So fun fact, my mom and my closest uncle both watched the live stream.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Miss Lori watches the live stream.
Miss Lori, shout out to Miss Lori for being the best daycare
provider
teacher ever.
She always called
Is that
herself
what it is? Teacher?
a daycare provider.
Provider.
Yeah.
Oh. I always thought you like teacher because, I mean, I learned more at the daycare than I actually did at school.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. Isn't that crazy? So
Yeah, I mean, that's how it is.
The economic calendar this week, dude, is a bunch of nothing.
Yeah. Well,
I
that's interesting.
I can bring it up if you want.
Here, bring it up.
These dogs, I swear to God. All right, so we have S&P final U.S. services, ISM services, the U.S. trade balance, which is always negative because we finance the world. Wholesale inventories, consumer credit, initial jobless claims, which happens every Thursday, but it is basically a giant nothing burger this week, which is
Yeah, it looks
crazy.
like a good trading week.
Yes. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful trading week. So you know what else we have this week, dude? And this is a weird thing that I noticed today is that healthcare stocks, healthcare ETFs are going through the roof right now. Oil, gold, so not oil, but gold, Bitcoin, and your other uh, inflation resistant assets are skyrocketing. But you have like healthcare ETFs that are going through the roof, and you have all of your gold mining ETFs going through the roof this week. So that tells me we're at like an inflection point in the market. When you have gold going up, and I can show you that right here. I'm going to have to refresh the page. You have gold hitting a double bottom in late June, and it is going up in July right now. You can see this, right?
Yep.
And then meanwhile, you have, healthcare on the mainstream media. Like everybody is talking about healthcare right now in StockTwits. And it's like, dude, the last thing I would be trading right now is healthcare because it is the, like, most healthcare is probably the most difficult thing to trade. And right now, the healthcare ETFs are going through the roof. Meanwhile, you also have gold going through the roof and Bitcoin going through the roof. Oil is down to, you can see this, oil is down to $68 a barrel. So that tells me that big money wants people to buy into healthcare because that's what the dumb money is buying into right now. They're buying into healthcare ETFs. They're buying into Merck. Like XLV, which is a healthcare ETF, is through the roof right now. And it's like, basically, they're pulling a switcheroo on you. So they're getting dumb money to buy into healthcare because that's going to tank. And they are buying into gold, which tells me we are reaching a point in the markets where your inflation-resistant assets are going to peak again. So your gold, your silver, your commodities, not oil, because oil is down. All your petroleum products are down. Natural gas, heating oil, you name it. So they're basically pulling the old switcheroo on you while they're buying up gold, silver, copper, etc. You're buying up the freaking healthcare stocks. Don't do it. Like, there's so many articles being freaking pumped out right now that you need to buy healthcare stocks. That is the worst thing you could do. It's summertime, and Wall Street is not pouring money into equities, especially small caps. Like, you're going to get your day trades for sure, and your day trades are probably going to be like where you would get 100%, you're going to get 200 to 300%. But if you're not a day trader and you're doing swing trades, you're doing multi-month trades, you're going to get walked on if you're buying into healthcare right now. Like this is literally what me and you have been talking about, dude, for gold. Like, this is you see this chart right now, dude? You see this double bottom here in late June?
Yep.
Perfect time to buy gold. Like, we've been talking about this for months. Like, this is going to flash eventually. This is it. This is the bottom for gold. $4,000. Right here. Like, we're not going under $4,000 on gold. You see this?
I'm
42.
gonna step away for a second.
Yeah. Like right here, like this is the time to start buying your commodities. Your gold, your silver, your palladium. It doesn't even matter what you buy. Like you're going to make money this week if you buy into your precious metals. But if you're buying healthcare stocks this week for a swing trade, you're going to get walked on. Merck is up. Your healthcare ETF, like I'll tell you the name right now. Your healthcare ETF, like XLV, you are going to get destroyed. Because that's what they want you to buy. Like right now, the Russell 2000 shares are down. Nasdaq is down. AMD. So that's the other thing is that tech stocks are way down. So your AMDs, your Nvidias, basically all of your major tech stocks that drive the Nasdaq 100 are down, and they're going to keep going down. You know why? Because those stocks are trading at a 100 P to E ratio. So a profit to equity ratio. And they're just going to go down. There's no value there anymore right now. Basically, people are rejecting data farms. It's just an interesting time we live in. So, like, exactly what me and Corey have been telling you guys is to buy gold right now. We literally were talking to you guys, telling you to buy gold at the end of June. And it literally double bottomed in the end of June. And come July, it started ripping up. Like, how much more, what more do you want? We literally told you guys exactly what was going to happen. We're time travelers. And we literally know what's going to happen. And we told you guys to buy gold. And you still ignored us. But we're not financial advisors. And this is not financial advice. Yeah. It's crazy. It's crazy. So all your inflation-resistant assets right now, your golds, your silvers, so gold basically hit a $4,000 floor. Silver hit a $60 floor. Copper hit a $6 floor. Isn't that crazy? It's so easy to remember. So I know that gold is $4,000. So if I can buy gold for $4,000, I'm good. If I can buy silver for $60, I'm good. And if I can buy copper for 1/10 of that, I'm good. And we're going to see this just play out in summer. Because this is a very unique summer. So last summer, your healthcare stocks and everything else ran up because interest rates were going down. But right now, we're in a weird bubble where we don't know where interest rates are going to go. So right now, big money is trying to sell you their healthcare stocks. So the big money, the ETFs, the trust funds, they're trying to sell you their healthcare stocks right now. Meanwhile, they're buying up gold and silver.
They got you hook, line, and sinker.
Dude, that's literally like the headlines right now is all like about healthcare. And meanwhile, big money is buying up gold and silver. You can see it right here.
We should be shorting healthcare stocks.
No, healthcare. Yeah, like I probably won't touch healthcare stocks right now, unless it's like an FDA approval or something. Because like if it's an FDA approval on a day trade, dude, right now, because people are like fiending after these small cap gains, you can probably make 2 to 3 times your normal money on a day trade. In that instance, yeah, I would say buy that stock. But do not stay in that thing overnight. Not financial advice.
Yeah, we just document our financial journey, guys. So,
And you know me,
don't
I'm
be-
5 out of 5 or 6 out of 6 on my last day trade. I think I'm 6 out of 6.
Yeah, I'm literally a dude that I'm in the basement, guys. So,
Yeah.
why?
I'm
If
in
you
the
take
attic.
finance from me, I can't help you. I really can't.
I'm in the attic. I am going to do a day trading live stream tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Eastern Standard Time, from live from the attic.
Yep. Oh yeah. But yeah, dude, I saw that today and I was like, what the hell is going on? Because that was not the narrative on Friday. The narrative on Friday was crypto is plummeting. Don't buy it. Um, buy bonds, and the interest rate might go up because that's why you want to buy bonds. And now gold is rocketing, which is what we've been calling for the past 2 weeks. Is that gold and silver is gonna do a bottom, and it did a nice double bottom right when we were talking about it, and now it's fucking skyrocketing. Sorry to swear.
Nice.
I'm sorry for my southern people that I cussed, but it just seems appropriate.
It's all good. It's more like the algorithm that.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's kind of crazy, dude. Like it is wild. For the past 2 weeks, don't get me wrong, I have been not in a good place. I have been. Holy crap, dude. I have
What?
been in the red as far as like swing trades and everything else. Holy crap, dude. Bitcoin is freaking rocketing.
Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here, guys, but that's all good.
Yeah, no, you've been killing it, dude. Doing the inverse of my predictions for the past month. You have been killing it.
It's just a $700 loss, so
Oh yeah,
not too
yeah. I mean,
bad.
what did you start with that account? 500? 500?
5K.
5K. That's crazy. So you went 10 times that account, dude.
Oh yeah, we already did 10x on the account.
Because it wasn't real money. You did 10x on that account. Can you imagine if you actually had scraped together 5K of your money and did that with real money?
Oh, I think about it a lot, dude. I'm like, why can't I do this in a real account?
Because you're not treating it like a video game.
That is, that's probably the, yeah, I gotta like stop. That's what I'm saying. I gotta stop caring.
Like that like treat life like a video game. If you're a man, just treat your life like it's a video game. Like remember San Andreas, Grand Theft
Right?
Auto, San Andreas? Just treat your life like a video game. Like you're not gonna get super jacked in 12 hours of lifting weights, but like if you applied those same ethics to your real life, you would get that jacked. You would get that rich.
Oh, I know. It's like the less you care, the better.
Totally true. Gotta love it.
Man, I guess. Well, I don't know, Mike. Do you think Corey's intuition might be right here?
Yeah,
This
I
is
just
why not, we cannot get scared with our trades. We have to stick to our convictions. Let's see if we actually can get a payout here.
I think your trade might work out because you had that massive red candle, and the green candle could not engulf it. So I think your trade might actually work out in the short term, especially because you doubled down. Like that thing looks like it's about to engulf that green candle, and it's about to hit the 20-day moving average right now. Oh yeah, cratering through it.
So this is a great example to the audience. I don't want to talk too soon, but remember when we were talking how back here in the 1 minute it was struggling like this? And it was like it was actually showing us here what it was gonna do after it stopped people out. It started to roll over and it showed weakness, gave us a bearish engulfing candle. Then this wiped out both sides of liquidity. Then what did it do? It broke out. So once it broke out, it then enticed all the breakout traders. Like, oh, it's breaking out of the bull flag. And then they saw this as a target. Well, guess what? Now they're about to get completely walked on. This is sell side liquidity, by the way. And that's what we're targeting right below this bull flag. So see what happens. This is my theory on the market. It's not my theory on the market. It's clearly ICT. So just look at it. SMC concepts. Notice, we do keep the moving averages on here because it's a nice nice way to kind of see what retail is doing. But it seems like now we are getting our actual play here, which we kind of knew all along. We already knew what direction it was going to go, but it just wanted to play a little game first.
Yeah, the problem is
No, you never get this.
the problem is the Asian markets will head fake you, and we are literally moving into the Asian markets right now. It's 7:30, and they're gonna go after the low hanging fruit liquidity pool, which is probably the shorters.
But people are playing long, dude. They see this as a breakout.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Because I think people are playing the short side right now. I mean, your trade is about to go green. Oh, it went green.
It is green. What are you talking about?
Yeah, so
That's
like
funny.
I don't know, because I feel like most people are shorting Bitcoin right now. I feel like most retail traders right now who are putting tight stop losses on their trades are shorting Bitcoin right now. And I feel like that's what the Asian markets go for. I could be completely wrong, and I do not care. So if it runs
Well, yeah.
down,
See, that's the thing. Oh, you're right. You are right about that, but you also have to think smart money is shorting as well because they want, in the long term, smart money wants a better discount. So how do they wipe out um, retail traders? Well, retail traders are not patient. Like like what you see on our stream, how I operate in the demo trading account is basically how most people don't operate like this. They literally just blindly open a trade. They don't know how much money they put in the trade. They have no idea where they're gonna put their stop loss. They have no idea. They're just literally throwing stuff at the wall, hoping it sticks. But see, once you've lived that mindset, you actually have an advantage. So if you actually been getting walked on and you're getting screwed over left and right, you're like, I'm never gonna get traded. I don't think I'm ever gonna figure this out. You actually have an advantage because you already have that mindset of a retail trader. All you need to do now is flip that on its head. Once you do that, there's the key. You already have the answers. You just don't know it. The answers to all your losses are in your losses. Go back and figure out what that means. The answer to all your problems are in your losses. So just, counter
profound.
trade your emotions. That's what I would have to tell. That's what I would say to myself as a younger trader. If I could go back in time and say to myself like, dude, just counter trade what you feel. Boom.
Yep. Oh,
And
that's
that's the
good.
thing. Get yourself in that mindset and then okay, that's how I feel right now. So the answer to like, oh, I want to go long, I should go short. Hold up a second. Don't go short right off the bat, kind of like what I just did on the stream. Wait till a better opportunity, like you saw. So what happened is like I instantly recognized it when I saw it. I was like, "Oh, that looks really good," but I was on a larger time frame, so I just hit the short button, which is not the smartest thing, guys. But I went into the 1 minute and then I saw what was going on. This is actually the same thing. It took out the people who were exactly like me, and if they had their stop loss, just even look how close my stop loss is. If it was just a little bit lower, I would get stopped out, and we missed this move right now. So it's this move right here took out the last people. And this happened to me a lot. Right here, I would get stopped out. And
I
then the
mean, you've
move
been
would happen.
killing it for the past month, without a doubt. So, like, one bad
Nothing more
trade
frustrating.
does not negate the past month of profit.
Of course. And that's what we talk about on the stream.
This could
Right?
still be a green trade, too. You are right around break even.
Yeah. I mean, do we have anything else in the TradFi?
No, I basically covered it all. Yeah. So, of course, I'm going to wake up super early tomorrow and start going over what's exactly happening in TradFi. But, like, dude, precious metals are spiking, and everybody wants you to buy healthcare, which tells me, oh yeah, gold went up to 4,200 just now, which tells me like it's time to get into inflation resistant assets.
Nice.
Yeah, not Bitcoin though. Your short is playing out to the green side now.
We're actually in the green, folks.
Yeah, I like gold by far. We've been talking about the bottom in gold coming soon, and it came in the last month of June. So like gold in the past 5 days is up $181. It's still down in the month, but I think we just hit a double bottom in late June, early July here. Oil is garbage. Stay away from oil. It's under $70 a barrel now, and everybody thinks it's gonna go up, but it's not. OPEC just OPEC just amped up their, exports. So gold is probably going to go down even more. OPEC. Yeah, so OPEC just opened up their supply chain. They are shipping out even more oil because the price right now cannot satisfy their liquidity needs. So they're just going to release more oil to the market because it's too low of a price for them to make money on it. So I think we're going to see oil go down even more. And then we're going to see the absolute opposite in the precious metals market, which is gold and silver is going to go up, which is not normally what you see, but that's what happens in the summertime.
That's how it goes.
It's hard to
I mean,
predict.
these seasonal tendencies.
It's very hard to predict. Don't get me
Correct.
wrong, I'm 100% into Avalanche Treasuries, and I hope that they, do what they need to do tomorrow, if you know what I'm saying. Because that stock needs to get above $1 a share tomorrow, or they get a NASDAQ deficiency notice. So I'm hoping for double my money right now tomorrow.
Yeah, it's rough, man.
Huh? What's that?
I hope it works out for you, brother.
Me too. I just need crypto to keep going up, and life is good.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Yeah, you ain't kidding. Dude, Avalanche could not get above $7 a share this weekend. It did for a while, but it did not stay above that. And Avalanche Treasury, of course, they're 100% into Avalanche, so unless they release that net asset value report tomorrow, it's not going to be good.
Yeah, that's not good.
No,
It's
no, no, no.
all looking a little sketchy right now, but that's actually probably a good sign.
Is that Oil India Limited?
Yeah, probably.
Is that in rupees?
Rupees?
Denaris?
Oh man.
Are you looking for silver right now?
Computer's so slow right now.
Ooh. Ooh, when you bring up that chart, it looks like a meme coin. Oh, yeah. Right there is the absolute bottom. And that's...
The bottom for the silver markets?
Oh, yeah. Silver, gold. Dude, so gold hit a $4,000 bottom. Silver hit a $60 bottom. And this is India. This is iShares Silver's Trust. So it's a futures market. So
Yeah.
it can drop below the actual physical silver price. Silver never dropped below $60 an ounce. But obviously, yeah. So it's like silver hit 60 and immediately started rebounding. So I'm calling gold at 4K, silver at 60K, copper at $6.
60K?
Yeah. So no, silver at $60 an ounce. and
That'd
copper at $6 a pound. All up from there. Obviously, this is like a futures market ETF thing, so it's a little different. It can drop below the actual price of silver, but I think we're just only up from here. And all the inflationary resistant assets. So silver, gold, Bitcoin. We are up from here. But your Bitcoin trade is definitely in the green now. Definitely working out for you, my guy.
Yeah. It's kind of getting like kind of boring. I knew it, dude. I just knew it.
What's that?
It's typical. I mean, come on, guys. Holiday weekend.
Yeah, Sunday night. Oh, yeah.
It's about to walk on everybody. And guess what? Your boy we just shot at the top there, kid.
Yeah.
This is what we do in the Northeast, even though I'm out west.
The Asian markets are definitely going to walk on this thing tonight. They're going to do whatever they want with it. They're going to raid liquidity pools. And just like, that's why you don't trade the Asian markets. You're just going to get walked on trying to trade the Asian markets. Because it's like the Asian markets, you have to trade the manipulation. If you're not doing that, you're going to get destroyed with all the retail traders.
How it goes, folks.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. I mean, you definitely are in the green, my guy.
Pretty crazy how that works, guys.
Dude, there's a bunch of fireworks going off right now near me.
I mean, yeah, they got to get rid of them.
Yeah, because, dude, it downpoured last night.
Man.
So July 4th, it downpoured. What?
It's safe.
Yeah, oh yeah, here it's safe. Yeah, New England, light off as many fireworks as you want right now. You are not gonna start a forest fire. Like it is so green out here every July. It is insane. It is not like where you are, dude. Where you have to worry about like pocket fires, brush fires, yada yada. Like they just light them off for like usually 48 hours straight. I just hear fireworks noises. And this year, because of the thunderstorms, they were definitely getting poured on as they tried to light off their fireworks. It was pretty funny.
Yeah, I think that's a good place to leave it off. What do you think, Mike?
Oh yeah, 100%. What are you cooking too?
I gotta finish editing some videos.
Nice.
I should start cooking, to be honest with you. I got like carne asada, some
Yeah.
skirt steak.
Ooh. Ooh.
Be a
Okay.
good time.
Very nice. Yeah, man. Yeah. When do you want to do another live stream, my guy? Want to wait till Wednesday?
It's up to you.
Uh, my week this week is wide open, my guy. We can do another one tomorrow, but that's high pressure. I feel like we should probably wait till like Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yeah, depending on what happens here.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
some
No, if some craziness hits the markets tomorrow, we can jump right on. I do not care. So we'll put it up in the air then. So you Manic Money Finance bros, the ones who care. If some crazy stuff goes down, jump on. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll put it up in the air then. We'll do a flash live stream for you.
Yeah.
For you people who watch regularly, like my mom and my uncle.
Whenever you want.
Oh yeah. Oh. But keep an eye on Bitcoin. Keep an eye on the precious metals markets. Like we literally told you today exactly what to do. Not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. And then tomorrow at 8 a.m. is the day trading live stream. So basically, I will just be hard hitting momentum trading stocks. That's all I do on my day trading live stream. We do not cover larger macroeconomic trends, nothing like that. We just cover what's popping off that morning. So if you think you're going to sign on to the day trading live stream and you're going to see, some macroeconomic bullshit, it's not going to be there. I'm just trading stuff that's popping off that morning, for the record. Sorry.
Cool.
Trying to make money. So yeah. So we'll plan on Wednesday. Regardless.
Sounds good, dude.
Oh yeah. So go cook your dinner. I'm gonna go eat my beef that I cooked up a little earlier on. And like and subscribe. Smash those
You want me to do the
buttons.
outro?
Oh yeah. Hit the like and subscribe.
Right.
Smash those buttons. Jump on the Facebook and hit us up with some tickers. We would love to give you guys some analysis on some stocks, equities, and altcoins. that you are, have your eye on. That's what we do.
Once again, guys, this is the Manic Money Finance channel. We are in a short right now. We'll see how this plays out by the next stream. You'll know, but kind of looking and projecting this head and shoulders pattern. Expecting more downside here, guys. I don't think this is over yet. I
Nice.
think this is a fake out. I could be wrong though. We'll see.
Yeah, with Bitcoin, you never know.
But hope you guys enjoyed the 4th of July there. God bless America.
America.
Beautiful, beautiful country, and what a beautiful opportunity both me and Mike have to live here. So,
Right?
we thank all the service members. Thank everybody out there helping the communities, everything. So,
Jesus. You're
we
going.
are going to wrap this up. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, comment down below. Let us know what you think.
Amen.
And yes, we love Jesus too.